Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight from Home Chef, we're making pasta fagioli with cheesy pull-apart bread. As always, we're going to go through what came in the package from Home Chef, as well as the utensils you need to prep and cook the meal. Once that's completed, we're going through a step-by-step process of prepping and cooking the meal. With that said, let's get started. Alright, ladies and gents, here's what we're working with tonight. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 15 ounces of beans, white kidney beans, 2 Roma tomatoes, 0.125 ounces of oregano. There we go. 4 ounces of kale, 1 mini baguette, 3 ounces of pezzolini pasta, 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 ounce of pecorino cheese. Like out of room. Alright, for utensils, you'll need a cooking sheet. You'll need a large pan. You'll also need a small pot. Measuring cup. Cooking spray. Can opener. Pepper. Salt. Some olive oil. Strainer. Your favorite knife. And some aluminum foil. Alright, ladies and gents, here's what we're doing. We're going to mince the garlic. We're going to coarsely chop the oregano. We're going to diagonally cut the baguette. We're going to core and half-inch slice the tomatoes. We're going to drain and rinse the cannelli beans. And we're going to coarsely chop the kale. Pretty simple. Alright, so we're going to now boil the pasta. Add about 3 cups of water, give or take the size of your pan, or pot for that matter. And remember, you want to reserve 1/2 cups for later on. So just keep that in mind. Put it on, cover, and for about 11 minutes. Alright, so now we're making the cheesy bread. Take the aluminum foil. Quick spray of the cooking spray. Do that 3 times fast. Here's your diagonally cut bread. Make sure you don't cut all the way through. You want a little bit at the bottom. You want to drizzle it a little bit with some olive oil. You want to get into the crevices as well. So maybe a tablespoon or so, give or take, nothing that crazy. And now we're going to take the mozzarella. And the garlic. Where's the garlic? Here's the garlic. Try to do it in the right order. And get into, you don't want to use all of it, just get it into those crevices, those nooks and crannies. You can see what I'm doing. For it's all in there, all the crannies. Go. And we have to keep half it for later on, so don't use all of it. Now I'm going to add the mozzarella, and you want to put it on as evenly as possible. So, luckily they gave us a good amount of mozzarella. We'll make a loose pouch around garlic bread, or cheese bread for that matter, and cook it for about 8 minutes. Alright, so we're going to add some olive oil to the pan. Throw it nice and hot. Spread it around. Add the garlic. Make sure you give it a good pat so all of it comes out. Add the red pepper flakes as much as you like. I like them all. Get your spoon. Want a medium to high flame for a little bit. About 30 seconds or so, nothing crazy. Make sure everything gets all nice and cooked. Alright, so now we're going to add the beans. Get it all nice and mixed together. Tomatoes. The oregano. Mix together. And finally, the 1.5 cup of pasta water. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium. Now add the kale. I know why you need a large pan. Stir that in. I'm going to cover for about 4 minutes. And now we're going to open up the aluminum foil. Try not to burn myself. And let it cook until it's good, until the cheese is golden brown. See it? See, just open it up. Again, about 2-3 minutes. Alright, so the pasta's now ready. We're going to drain that and add it to the pan. Alright, so now we're adding the pasta to the pan. Mix that in. Then we're going to add the pecorino cheese. Let that cook for a minute or two. Then plate the dish. Or bowl for that matter. Add some salt as well. You want to spread it as evenly as possible. You know when you miss the even. Mix that together. They're all nice and happy. There we go. Get your salt. Now I like to put the salt in 2 different times so it's all nice and mixed well. As always, we're going to taste it, see how we like it. It's coming together nicely, I think. Spoon. Let's see how it tastes. Needs more salt, but it has a little kick. It's like a bean too. It's a little dangerously. There you go. Very good. Alright, so let's plate the bowl, I guess you could say. Pasta and some more beans. And cheesy bread. Is that hot? There we go. Tonight's dish, ladies and gents. There we go. The cheesy bread, that's this side. And you have a pasta fuzzle. Stay tuned for the review. Hey guys, so we enjoyed the meal very nicely. It was delicious. No complaints. It tasted just like pasta fuzzle you would get at an Italian restaurant. So it was really good. Cheesy bread was delicious. No complaints whatsoever. Take it easy.